It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
So as you see, I've damaged my D21 back again. It's a bit rainy here today, a little bit windy, but over the last few days we've managed to get the blade off, drop that down, ripped that out through the front, managed to get the wheel weights off, 3 wheel weights on each side, just to basically clean it up, make it a little bit easier to manoeuvre, and managed to get that big ugly Gason cab off. One thing I forgot was the corner pieces of the Gason cab. Managed to pull it up, grab on the other side of the hood, which is a bit of a pain, but we will be able to get that fixed. Getting the Gason cab off was a simple process. There were only a few studs around the backside and a few underneath the fender, which enabled it to basically lift off in one piece. Done it a few times. You would have seen that done on the 50/20 as well. But again, how much better does this tractor look now that it is without the cab? It just gives it so much more character and so much more presence. So back to it. Had to take these out. These front studs came out rather easy, which was good. So we're going to try and take these two out and hopefully bring that down gently so that that doesn't come through and hit the grill, making sure these don't push back in as well. And hopefully that'll come off nicely. How good is that looking? And like that, we are done. Just starting to rain. Bloody hot day, but yeah. Got the frame off. Got the wheel weights off, which is making it a bit easier. And next time we'll take this Gason cab off.